Okay, I got two different brands of these minimalist barefoot walking shoes. This is Jumra, and this is Luswin. I've had these, man, I've had this pair for, it's over 2 years for sure. For sure over 2 years. And these are just, I've had these for a few months. The ankle part is higher here. Um, I like them both. I've been wearing these kind of shoes for several years, so I have a lot of experience wearing these. And let me try to tell you some differences, some similarities, besides just like the color. They're pretty similar. They have the same kind of tread, pretty much, basically. All the way through, it's rough. So some of them you might have like pieces where it's smoother. These are pretty much rough the whole way. They have this little part right here and right here that has a different texture to it, but it's a rough tread the whole way through. Softness wise, these are a little bit softer. These are older too, so over time they'll get softer, but just naturally these are a little bit softer, and they're the heel, there's less padding on the heel. So on these, there's a little bit more padding, and it's a little bit stiffer from the get-go. Over time, they kind of wear out, but these are a little bit stiffer. There's not necessarily more padding on the sole. It's pretty much the same. It's just the heel's got a little more support. So if you are not, you're someone that doesn't really wear these, if you drive a lot and you're going to wear them driving, it does make a difference on if there's more support on the heel. So if you're driving like hours and hours, you're wearing them, you'll notice a difference with on the heel, because the support, because your foot's going to be like that on the gas pedal and the brake. So that's something to think about if you're going to be driving a lot wearing these. But if you're just getting them to go walking in or hiking in or that type of thing, basically they're pretty close to the same. I got different sizes here. So this is one size smaller than this one. I ordered them like that, so they're pretty much about the same. It's smaller. It looks like about a size smaller, and these are tight on me, and these fit me the way that the way they should, kind of naturally. So when I got these a little bit small, just because I like them. I like some tight. I like some that fit me normal, because I wear these kind of shoes all the time. And they're both super comfortable. They feel great. The bottom lasts a long time. I've worn these for a while, so I've worn out the spots that I wear out. These, I haven't worn them long enough. I've only had them for a few months, so I haven't worn out the bottoms yet. But they're great. Great shoes, comfortable. I like to get them either the size that I wear normally or a little bit smaller, depending on what I like wearing both of them. Sometimes I like wearing them a little bit tight. So that's these two. And these are the green ones, but they have a lot of different colors with this same kind of abstract look. This is the color of my truck, so I like having these green ones. I have other colors too, but there you go. I hope you like them. These are pretty similar. Same feel, same, this whole textured area is about the same on both of them. Just a little bit more on the heel on these, just a little bit, nothing too noticeable. But for me it is. I'm just trying to give you the exact, trying to give you exactly how they are, but it's not anything that's going to be super noticeable. Anyways, have yourself a great day.